Welcome to another edition of Mail on Monday, the monthly news programme where I look at data-related items in the news and how you can use SAS to understand them. Health and exercise issues are always in the news. And of course, obesity rates are rising among the general population. People are getting heavier, and that includes me. As ever, there are a range of publicly available statistics to help you understand the issues. A great source of information, which you can see on the screen now, is the NHS Information Service, whose data portal you can find online at www.ic.nhs.uk. But how do you determine if someone is overweight? A commonly used indicator is body mass index, or BMI. This simply calculates an index by dividing your weight in kilograms by the square of your height in metres. There's also a similar calculation for imperial measurements. You can see some of the calculations on the screen now. Various BMIs are grouped into categories: underweight, normal weight, overweight, and obese. This is termed your weight status. So, let's imagine you're a particularly intrusive data analyst and you'd like to group individuals by their weight status. There are of course many ways to solve this problem in SAS, but in this programme I'd like to show you a new procedure available in SAS 9.2, Proc FSMP, the SAS function calculator. Although SAS includes hundreds of useful functions, ranging from the sum function to the round function, creating your own functions has been difficult. But in SAS 9.2, the SAS function compiler allows you to create your own functions simply and easily. In this example, I'm going to create two new functions. One to calculate BMI and another to generate weight status of a particular BMI. You can see some of the code appearing on the screen now. Firstly, we'll define the location where the new function will be stored. sasuser.funcs.bmi. Then we create a function called BMI with two numeric inputs, height and weight. Next we add in the calculation, weight divided by height squared. This only works for kilograms and metres, however you can see how easy it would be to create functions for other units, such as stones and feet. The return value of the function is n. End the subroutine and run. Next we indicate where the function is stored. You can see that location on the screen now. Finally, we use our new function. Again, you can see this on the screen. This returns a BMI of around 1.95. Next, we'll create another function, weight status. We can take BMI figures as an input and then output the weight status. You can see some code on the screen now. The main point to note with this code is the use of $12 in the function statement. This indicates that the returned value will be a character string, 12 long. Finally, let's use both functions in a data step. You can now see this on the screen. This returns a weight status of underweight, not me then. And you can no doubt see how we could use this function on a larger data set or to create new and different functions of our own. I hope you've enjoyed this edition of Mail on Monday. If you'd like to find out more about the topics I've raised or download the code, please visit the Mail on Monday homepage, the location of which you can now see on the screen. Thank you for watching.